Welcome back to Texas Decor and More. Today we are going to be doing some car washing. See you at the car wash, baby. Please like, share, and subscribe to Texas Decor and More. And let's get on with the video. So today is going to be, we're going to be washing the car since it's kind of overcast and it's not super hot today. It's not as hot today as it was yesterday. Gonna wash the truck. Got the pressure washer out there. And this is my car. My son's already started on cleaning it. He vacuumed it out already. So I got the Armor All and the Lysol wipes. Gonna get it real good and clean and shiny. Let me show y'all how dirty it was. Oh, he's already vacuumed it. I can't show you. But it was dirty, y'all. And Caleb's cleaning it because it looked really bad. I wish I would have got some footage of the before he started vacuuming it, because it was bad to the bone. That's my current situation on Saturday. My son said my car was dirty, so I told him to clean it. Then, so he did. So he is using the faucet to clean it. He said it was dirty, so I went through it. That's what I said.
Damn near everything.
But yeah.
Well, she lost that shit.
Look at her, she's taking it from you. She got it in her eyeballs.
Girl, she's done with that damn rag. No, let Papa do his thing. He's going to the pool here in a minute anyway. I think I might just order some fucking Domino's tonight with that dirty.
Put it in a bucket. You gotta wash car, you gotta put it in a bucket.
She's a water bug.
Yeah.
Probably feels good as fuck out here in the heat, honestly.
She's a water bug. Okay.
Musty. Well, no, I wanna keep her in that. That's what she'll go swimming in, because I don't have a bathing suit for her.
But take her diaper off.
Nuh-uh.
Why? It's heavy.
But she'll have her floaty and she'll be right there next to me. I don't want her pooping or something in that pool.
Bubble!
Bubble trouble. Bubble trouble.
I gotta give Kayla some bubble.
That ain't gonna pop all shit out.